Good morning, beautiful souls. This morning, our ascended masters, our archangels, and ancestors have messages for us. With this new moon, they want us to know there's positive shifts, manifestations, and spiritual growth within all of us. And we need to keep our thoughts positive because our thoughts manifest our reality. There are new beginnings, fresh starts, and new opportunities and new chapters for a lot of us. There's abundance coming, and in connection with that, there's good luck and arrival with prosperity. There's self expression. 333, you'll see that a lot around you now. And that relates to your ascended masters are with you. You need to communicate with spirit. Your inner truth, you must honor your true you. Stay positive, have faith in the divine plan. Embrace change. Be open to new paths. Listen to your intuition. Connect with your inner voice. Trust your heart. Believe in what your heart is telling you. And then the unicorn spirit says, listen to your feelings. Don't let any other person tell you what to do, especially if you know it's wrong. Trust good fortune is coming your way in all areas of your life. Then again, we got the unexpected gift will bring you great fortune, and it says money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. And then our loved ones want us to remain positive. There's deep personal strength and peace that assures success. Your thoughts can reshape your experience. Be sure to focus on the positive. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good luck, everybody.